Now we'll install Rank Math. Rank Math is a free SEO plugin that helps your website show up on Google. It gives you an easy checklist on every blog post so you know what to fix to get better rankings. Even if you've never done SEO before, Rank Math makes it simple to follow best practices and get more traffic. If you're not already here, go to the plugins page, and then at the top, click Add New Plugin. Then search for Rank Math. Select this one, Rank Math SEO, AI SEO tools to dominate SEO rankings. Click Install, and then click Activate. Next, click the big blue Connect Your Account button. At the bottom of this login page, click Register Now. Then use your preferred account creation method. I'll use my email address. Then click Register. Next, click OK Activate Now. Rank Math will now walk us through a short onboarding form. For this Getting Started tab, click Easy, and then scroll down and hit Start Wizard. Here, if you have a new site, you don't have data from either of these, so you can click Skip Don't Import Now. Next, it'll ask for some information about your site. So I'll say that this is a personal blog. Yeah, that makes the most sense. That is the name, but I'm actually going to just do this. A website alternate name could be an acronym if you have one. I'm going to leave this blank. For person/organization name, this can be the same thing. It already has my logo pulled in from the website, but notice that it recommends a square image, which is preferred by search engines. So here I recommend uploading a square version of your logo with a solid color background. To add this, click Add or Upload File. Then go to the top left and click Upload Files, select Files, and then pick a square image, like this one in my case. Give it a title and alt text just like our logo previously. Then click Use this file. There we go. The last thing we need is a default social share image. A social share image is what shows up when your blog is shared on social media or in some messaging apps. The recommended image size is 1,200 pixels by 630 pixels. If you don't have an image like this ready to go, I recommend using canva.com to create it from your logo. I'll walk you through how to do this very quickly. First, go to canva.com in a new tab. You can get there quickly by clicking the link in the description below. Then log in or sign up. I already have an account, so I'll go ahead and just log in. Then when you land on the Canva dashboard, click Create a Design. Then on the left side, select Custom Size, and then type in the dimensions we need. For a social share image, this should be 1,200 pixels by 630 pixels. And you'll see here, Facebook post is a suggested option. It's the same thing basically, so we could click that. Then simply add your logo. On the left side, click Uploads, and add your logo with the transparent background. Drag it in, click Position, and then you can say Middle and Center to put it right in the middle. You might need to resize this for your logo. Then let's search for an image to put behind it. On the left side, click Elements. And this is a travel blog, so let's add an image of a beach. I'll search for beach. And we've got some cool images here for photos. I'm going to use this one. I'll resize it to fill this whole frame. And then I'll click Position, and then click to back to put it behind the logo. Next, the contrast here isn't very good, so I'll click on the image and click on Edit. And then on the left side, click Adjust, and I'll decrease the brightness so it sits behind the logo a little better. I also want to make my logo pop out a little bit more. So one trick you can use is under Elements, search for something like rectangle, add a shape, and then I'm going to drag this over the whole image. I'm going to click the circle up here to change the color of the rectangle to a color from the photo. Like this light blue looks nice here. Then up top in the toolbar, click Transparency and decrease the transparency to a level that looks nice, and then position send backward to put it behind the logo. And then I can adjust the transparency even more to see exactly where the contrast looks the best. And I think somewhere around there gives it a nice look overall and makes this logo pop out pretty nicely. The final thing I'll do here is add a shadow to the logo to make it stand out from the background even more. Click on the logo, click on Edit, And then scroll down to Effects and click Shadows. And from here, I'll do Drop Shadow. From here, scroll down on the left side, and you can play with the settings to see exactly what looks best for your image and your logo. I think a shadow effect like this is perfect for this logo and gives it a nice lift off the background. Final adjustment is I will increase the size of the logo again, and then click on Position and recenter it. Nice. Now we have a social share image. So I'll go to the top right, name it, then click Share in the top right, then Download, PNG, and then click Download. I'll go ahead and drop this in a folder with all my other logo assets so I have it ready for future steps. Great. Go ahead and close out Canva and return back to the Rank Math Setup Wizard. Here, click Add or Upload File, and then upload your social share image. Again, add some alt text and a title, then click Use as File. Great. At the bottom of the page, click Save and Continue. Now we need to set up analytics. Click Connect Google Services. Then select your account. Click Continue. Check the box for Select All, and scroll down and click Continue. Make sure your site is selected in the drop-down. If it doesn't show up right away, it might take a second to appear. In the Analytics section below, for Property, click the drop-down and then click Create New GA4 Property. The page will ask if you're sure. Go ahead and click OK. And then toggle on Install Analytics Code. Scroll to the bottom and click Save and Continue. Nice, Rank Math says your site is ready, so scroll down and click Return to Dashboard. We're taken to the Rank Math SEO dashboard in WordPress. Scroll down to Sitemap, make sure it's toggled on, and then click Settings. Then toggle on Include Featured Images. And click Save Changes. Nice work, now Rank Math is all set up and ready to go.